Along with the 13 automatic programs, the Cook Expert also has an expert mode. In this mode you have total control. You can create your own program by adjusting the time, the speed of the universal tool, and the precise temperature of the bowl to within 1 degree Celsius. You can adjust the time from 5 seconds to 4 hours. 6 seconds to chop veg before sautéing. 20 seconds to shred cooked meat. 2 minutes to knead dough. 10 minutes to steam fish. 20 minutes for stir-free risotto. And 4 hours for slow cooking the most tender meat or fermenting homemade creamy yogurt. You can adjust the speed from 0 to 18. Speed 0 or no stirring is perfect for delicate fish recipes, sous vide for the perfect steak, or simply used as a large pot for cooking spaghetti. For speed 1A, the A stands for alternate, where it will gently stir for a few seconds every 2 minutes. I use 1A when searing meat, slow cooking stews or casseroles, and sautéing on a low heat. "2A" gently stirs every 10 seconds, creating a similar action to regularly stirring with a wooden spoon. 2A is great for risottos, porridge, rice pudding, and sautéing on a medium heat. Speed 3 is continuous stirring at the lowest speed and is perfect for jam making, bechamel sauce, whisking smooth mashed potato, and sautéing on a higher heat. Speed 6 to 15 is great for roughly chopping ingredients before cooking in the Cook Expert. The speed will depend on the softness of the ingredient. I use speed 6 for roughly chopped mushrooms, speed 13 for roughly chopped carrot or onion, and speed 15 for grating hard cheeses, and chocolate. Speed 18 is used for high speed blending, which will create an ultra smooth consistency. Speed 18 also enables you to grind and mill hard items. I grind spice into a powder and make icing sugar from castor or granulated. I mill grains into flour and unlock the health benefits of seeds. With the Cook Expert, you can adjust the temperature from as low as 30 degrees to as high as 140 on Expert and 160 on Stir Fry mode. At 30 degrees you can consistently proof dough, 46 and 31 degrees to temper chocolate, 73 degrees for hollandaise, (75 degrees for Swiss meringue), (82 degrees for crème anglaise), 90 degrees to slow cook, 95 degrees to confit, 120 degrees to saute, and for candy making, 140 to fry meat, and 160 for stir fries. The Cook Expert is great as you're in control, and it enables you to create any combination of time, speed and temperature to produce precise, consistent results with minimal effort.